Morning, friends. We're preparing at dark 30 on Sunday morning for our Ziegler Thanksgiving, which Steve's mom's always done, but this year we've been passed the torch. And I want to show you a little special something on our table. So Steve's mom always included special objects, and I've done the same thing. So this is a 10,000 Villages nativity scene, which is an ornament that is really meaningful and special to us, as well as, look at this, y'all. I used to make these little houses back before I was a flower farmer. Look at that, 2,000. And ornaments, my sis always given me the best ornaments, right? Looks like a tucker. And here is another house or church that I made. I made one of these for each member of our family back in 2003. And then my sweetest little ornament, the year that I got my golf cart, Suzanne customized, put some Ami Magus, as well as the golden retriever in it, has a bee, and it's just super sweet. So that's our table, friends, and I'll be sprucing it up with a little eucalyptus. I'm sure you flower farmers will be happy to hear. Happy Thanksgiving.